My name is Sanchez from MEX Bio Pavilion. My name is Sanchez. We bring 20 different organizations that show what's happening in biotech ecosystem now already in our country. Here today at Bio San Diego, you will find since R&D centers, clinical validation, manufacturing companies, and innovation startups and organizations that are working together to provide new technologies and services for local and foreign companies. So that's why MEX Bio Pavilion is just a space where you can find how it's working, the biotech ecosystem in Mexico. Actually, Mexico government with the current president, Claudia Sheinbaum, is launching that she calls Plan Mexico Plan. That is a strategy that is pushing forward some sectors and some companies also that like to establish operations in Mexico. Specifically in life science sector, Mexico government is working with different foreign companies that are establishing in Mexico or increasing their R&D activities. The benefits for doing that strategy is incentives, reduction taxes, but also participating in regulatory simplification process to be approved easily by the COFEPRIS, that is the FDA regulation in Mexico, and also the possibility for the company that would like to establish in Mexico to access directly to the government purchase. So it brings a lot of benefit for companies that would like to evaluate Mexico. You know, we are 130 million people, so to have direct access to the public healthcare system is a good advantage for companies that would like to evaluate new markets.